What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to make and receive calls on your T500 smartwatch. Also, if you're having the problem where whenever you try to make and receive call on your T500 smartwatch and then you click on the call icon, you get the cannot operate without phone error, or sometimes even after entering a number to call and then you click on the call icon, it does not work even though you have actually connected the smartwatch with your phone. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix that problem as well on your T500 smartwatch. Now, first things first, you actually have to connect your T500 smartwatch to your phone in order for you to be able to make and receive calls. So go over to your phone. At the top notification center, make sure you have your Bluetooth turned on and then also your service location turned on as well. Once this is turned on, you want to confirm the app that your T500 smartwatch uses. So go over to the list of apps over here and you should be able to find the QR code app from over here. So you can scan this QR code, or alternatively on the paperwork that actually come with your T500 smartwatch, you should be able to find the name of the app that your T500 smartwatch actually uses. In my case, it is actually the Fitpro smartwatch app, but to confirm yours, you just want to open up your camera app and then proceed to scan the QR code using your camera app. Once you open this up on the browser, you should now be able to confirm the app that your own smartwatch uses. Meanwhile, if your own T500 smartwatch uses a different smartwatch app other than the Fitpro app, just like mine, maybe like the Ri-Fi app, HiWatch Pro smartwatch app, you don't have to worry. Just make sure you also download and install the app from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone. Mine is the Fitpro app, so I'll just download it directly from here. And once the app is done downloading and installing, you want to proceed to set it up. So click on the open button over here, give the app all of the permission it needs. So click on agree and then sign into the app if it actually requires you to sign in, and also give the app all of the permission it requires as well. So click on why using this app so that it can actually search for available devices. After you finish setting up the app, the next thing you want to do is to come over to the bottom tabs over here. Then just go ahead and connect your T500 smartwatch with your phone using the smartwatch app. So you want to go ahead and just click on the Settings tab or Devices tab or Mine tab, depending on what it is called on your own T500 smartwatch app. And then from over here, you want to click on the Bind Devices to experience more features. Select that, click on Allow so that it can actually find nearby devices. Now you can literally see the name of my own T500 smartwatch. It is actually the Watch 8. I'll go ahead and select it and it is trying to connect now. You want to give it some few seconds. And once both devices are connected together, in order for you to be able to make and receive calls on your T500 smartwatch, you actually have to make sure you connect both devices via Bluetooth as well. Majority of the time, you might actually get a pop-up asking you to pair both devices via Bluetooth. If you get that pop-up, make sure you actually pair both devices via Bluetooth, and then also go over to the Bluetooth settings of your phone, whether it's an iPhone or Android phone, and then confirm that both devices are actually connected via Bluetooth as well. As you can see, mine is actually connected via Bluetooth. If you do not find the name of your T500 smartwatch connected over here via Bluetooth, just go down and then search for devices and connect to the name of your T500 smartwatch once again. Now, once both devices are connected via Bluetooth and via the T500 smartwatch app, you should now be able to make and receive calls. So if I go over to the call icon now and then try to call any number, then click on the call icon over here, you can now see that I can now make and receive calls from my T500 smartwatch to my phone. In that same way, you should also be able to receive calls whenever they come to your phone just by using your T500 smartwatch. And finally, if you're having the problem where whenever you try to click on the call icon, you get the cannot operate without phone error, or even after entering a number, you find out that you cannot click on the call icon, it does not just work. This is usually the case when you have not connected both devices via the smartwatch app and via Bluetooth. So even after connecting via the smartwatch app, you also want to make sure you go over to the Bluetooth and also confirm that you have actually connected the smartwatch via the Bluetooth of your phone. As you can see, mine is actually connected via Bluetooth, and that is why it works. Now, also keep in mind that in some T500 smartwatches, you're also going to find out that even after connecting via Bluetooth and via the smartwatch app, it might still not work. In that case, what you want to do is to go ahead and still search for another name of your T500 smartwatch and connect to it. So even after connecting via the smartwatch app, sometimes you're actually going to find out that your T500 Smartwatch actually has extra 2 Bluetooth names that you have to connect to. So you just want to make sure you search for devices from the bottom over here. Make sure you connect and pair with all of the names of your T500 Smartwatch, and once that is done, you should now be able to make and receive calls from your T500 Smartwatch to any phone you have, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.